Jabbu's atrocities. A for ant. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snail. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching, kids.